Now we are here, we've reached Al-Gubra beach. We are going to see how it looks like. It has a nice and a beautiful park. We came, we had here, there is a Ugandan people are meeting here, so we come to bypass like a 30 minutes and see how it looks like. We don't know what they are celebrating. Or we are coming here to enjoy. So guys, consider subscribing, sharing and commenting. Ugandan is in Oman. I've tested this. It's tasted. Guarantee you test it one time and the price is worth it. Mulimi.
Luzungu, Luganda.
Luswahili. This is my first time, by the way. Coming in Oman and I meet my fellow Ugandans. I'm proud and I feel happy. I'm so excited.
Yes.
I would have a few questions to ask about.
Yes.
How do you see Oman and how many years have you been here so far?
Honestly speaking, Oman is a vibe. But before even I go further, allow me to introduce myself. I am Chris Bills, the funny boy.
I see.
TikTok handle Chris Bills, and besides me, it's manager Nicholas. So I'm going to be brief. As you see, I came to do business. Whenever there is a gathering of Ugandans, I always see an opportunity of making money. So here we are selling coconut, and on the camera, still our interviewer has supported us. So Oman is general. Oman in general, a little bit frustrating, but somehow good. We thank Allah that we are here and are still healthy. We shall not go so much in details, but Oman is good. For the side of male, yeah, it's good. As you can see, all the male are looking healthy, men are looking healthy. So we're having opportunity of getting somehow nice salaries as baristas.
I see.
Yeah. And
I'm going to make some barista here.
Yes, and for the females still they can learn also coffee and other skills. But Oman in general is good. That's what I can say.
How many years have you been here so far?
I've been here. Now I'm making my fourth. I'm ending my fourth year. Yes, I'm just finishing my fourth year, and alhamdulillah, I'm not complaining. We should just be thankful that God has given us health, and that is it.
What message to the Ugandan government and people at large?
One message to the Ugandan government and people at large.
Tokubanye mukuru.
Engeri gye sironda kankozesa olulimi lwe bategeera bannayuganda. Engeri gye sironze sina bingi nnyo byakwogera, naye obulumi bungi omuntu alonda akalulu ke n'ayagala okukyusamu n'ayagala alabe ku nkyukakyuka ekigaana, naye nga munnayuganda ali e Uganda eyo nkusabira nti buli kimu kijja kubeera bulungi. Kumanya oyayanira nnyo obukulembeze, kubanga kati interviewers sigenda kwogera by'oyagala kuwulira, naye nze byenjagala okukugamba byebyo ebiri ku mitima gwange n'emitima gy'abantu. Kozi manager Nicholas anayongerako ku nsonga eyo, naye nga nze bwentyo bwenjogedde bwebubaka bwange.
Ku nsonga eyo neetera kukyusawo ky'amaanyi. Obufuzi bwasigadde nga buli. We hope for the best in the next coming elections. Nenga tobulina okumanya bulungi mu bantu aba Uganda ne wano mu Rwanda. Abantu bagasuubira enkyukakyuka yasobodde kujja. Naye we have to believe in the system. Kitegeera naffe essaawa zino we tubeera wano twetaaga Uganda, twetaaga Ministry of Labour tubeere nga tubeera which eri under the government of Uganda. Kitegeera. So
you've talked about the Ministry of Labour. Do we have any Ministry of Labour or any embassy for Ugandans here or no?
No, we don't have any ministry here for Labour. Nayenga coordinating ne embassy ya Saudi Arabia, of which it was coordinator. Atuyambako wano kubanga tukanye ensonga za embassy z'enzo okukola. So omunagala n'abayagala alina ekisibu ayagala passports, ayagala passport changes, ndagamuntu byonna embassy coordinator yasobola bayambako.
Embassy coordinator yali wera nsobola mufuna nti.
Ni wano wenyi mukulu tuli wana wali.
Yali wa mwe.
Mr. Omar
I said it.
ayinza okubaafu atambuddemu kone nga waali jakwata omwami wuuli wali ta Mr. Omar. So omunagana naaba yeetaze obuyambi abaasa omutuukirira information gy'omuwa agitwala direct to the embassy.
So I'll get his number.
Yeah.
Oh, kati yagala processinga passport ndaga muntu ebyo renewing akikola atya nga ali mu Oman.
Ibuuze eyo njagala kukyusa ndagamuntu eweddeko passport yange eweddeko ya passport kadde yagala passout oli mu university yagala kufuma yagala ja gold eyo passout paper asoodde kukolako olwuma lwayambadde best.
Is it free of charge or byabwere oba byakusasula?
I think it's free, but there are some documents that you have to process as a person. Photocopying and other things, and even most time they organize events of which all Ugandans can come and participate. We have right last time try to golden trip one actually nange nyinyi bantusiza ndaga muntu yange la they send me a message on my phone yafunye n'okufuma jasika nibulako bagitwale Saudi bagirete wano tuzifune.
Kati okungana kwammwe kuno kubeerawo dina buli ddi. Is it every year or
okungana organizations kisinziira ku Uganda Social Club kyetegese ninga gibeerayo emikono mingi egyenjawulo kyogera every year gatherings every year naye every year like 2 or 3 times like yeah.
This is my first person as a person. How do you see Oman as a person?
Oman is simbi. Yeah. Sijakwagala kwa mkono wange experience because zamani wendi abasawazi fenga abasajja letuyisiza bubi n'abakazi abamu batasobola okuva mu nnyumba nga tasobola okujja bwe naffe nemujja bweru. So Oman is good for us. First of all, it's a safe country. Tosasa police everywhere, everywhere. So you can walk freely as long as you work on legal documents. So kutambula unona osobola okutambula.
Finally, we are going back home. That is how it had been. Bakungana kulya kolachi. Bakungana kolachi. They meet, they make barbecue, they swim from the beach as you see. As is like to know each other. That is how it is. Allah tell them